What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, JOSHABRAHAM. We back. I just got back from work, but I should be sleeping right now. I should be sleeping right now, but we still got protocols to correct. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. What's up, Beijing? Why did I say that? I should I should put the camera on top, but right now I'm pretty tired, so let's just keep it this way. Just keep it this way. I should play some music because this shit's not it. Shit ain't shit. Edit. Wow, I can literally feel my body saying, yo, go to sleep. I can literally feel that. But hey, we must stay strong. We must stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Stay strong. Strong, stay strong. Strong, stay strong. Strong, stay. Yes, wrongs. Young, strong, stay. Yes, strongs. Strong, youngs. Ying, strong. Strongs, yings. String, young. Tro, sting. Sting, strong. Pre, pro, plong. Pre, pong. Sprik, sting, tong. Scream, skirip, skibidi, pong. Boo, skiring, tong. Skring, bong, bong. Yo, just someone just used to chat. Hello, bro. What's the worst of the day? Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Sleep is for the weak. Ain't nobody trying to fucking sleep. Sleep. Don't sleep, gang. Never sleep. Whoa. Whoa. What's the worst of the day? Stay strong. You meant Bible verse. Not gonna lie. I used to have a Bible verse. It was Psalm 25, I believe. I know it in my language. Wow. യഹോവയുടെ ഇടയനാവുന്നു എനിക്ക് മുട്ടുണ്ടാകുകയില്ല. പച്ച ഉൽപ്പറങ്ങളെല്ലാം എന്നെ കടത്തുന്നു. സ്വസ്ഥതയുള്ള വെള്ളത്തിനരികത്തേക്ക് എന്നെ നടത്തുന്നു. എൻ്റെ പ്രാണനെ അവൻ തണുപ്പിക്കുന്നു. തിരുനാമ നിമിത്തം എൻ്റെ നീതിപാതയിൽ നടത്തുന്നു. കുരിൽ താഴെക്കൂടെ നടന്നാലും ഞാൻ ഒരിടത്തും ഭയപ്പെടുകയില്ല. നീ എൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നുവല്ലോ. നിൻ്റെ വെടിയും കോലിനും ആശ്വസിപ്പിക്കും. എൻ്റെ തലയണ കൊണ്ട് അഭിഷേകം ചെയ്യും. എൻ്റെ പാനപാത്രം നിറഞ്ഞു കവിയും. നന്മയും കരുണയും ആയുഷ്കാലമൊക്കെയും എന്നെ പിന്തുടരും. ഞാൻ യഹോവയുടെ ആലയത്തിൽ നന്മയും കരുണയും. Yeah, it was something like that. What is your language? It is beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Damn, my neighbors are already asleep. But thank you very much. My language is called the Malayalam. It's a South Indian language. Don't worry about it. Yeah, if I remember, that was Psalm 25, the Bible verse. Why it's not? Why is it showing sleep? It's not sleep. So Say hi to Brazil. Brazil! What's up, Brazil? Thank you for the Palsum 25, brother. No worries, gang. No worries. Brazil. Devoto did. Hi, Josh. Yo, appreciate you for checking out the stream. Bedtime, it's 28 a.m. 28 a.m.? What do you mean? What's a 28 a.m.? Hi. 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 What's up, gang? Brazil. What's the time in Brazil, though? That's interesting. I did the calculation, am I right? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello, Buck Country. Purek Country. 1968. 1988. 1988, what's up? What's done? What's done? Huh. Now it's night 1:20 a.m. for you. Yes, it is. What are you doing? Right now, I'm just correcting my final corrections for lab journal, which should be done in like 30 minutes, if I understand. I have to do this reaction. 6767. Fuck. Don't do 67, brother. It's a sin. Notification. Fuck. Don't you have classes today? I do not have classes today. No 67. No. 67 is banned. If you use 67, you get shot in your head. I don't make the rules. Oh fuck. Yo, get the fuck out of here. The worst thing is I have a thing that reads all the chat. Well, God is good. God is good, I guess. Well, the 6-7 guy, I gotta tell you, if you're looking for rage bait, I don't think this is the place. So you can waste your time using Chick 7 on the chat. Please be my guest. So I have to do this part repetition. If I understand, I do have the note. Where is it? Where's my phone? Why is it not charged? God damn it. I did not charge my phone. There's one more protocol, if I understand. Oh, that's here? Oh, that's this one, okay. And la ra dee la do do, la ra dee da do do. So section 5. Where is it? Where is section 5? I know I took a picture. Oh fuck, where is it? Where is it? Where is my section 5? Oh, there we go. Got him. Got him, son. So you need to make a change here, if I understand it. Alright, in full sentence, bro. Come on. This part's okay. This part's okay. These parts are okay. Last part. Okay, this part's fucked up. Did the 6-7 guy stop? I think it's still going, right? No. Nah. Cool Cat King got tired? Did you get tired? Oh. Did you get tired with the 6-7? Did you not get the reaction that you were looking for? You feel sad? Well, that's what you get. Acidification of silver precipitate. What? Why is not person don't have interpretation now? Yeah, I don't. So next thing I have to do is repeat the last interpretation. Damn, that was slow. Oh, that is slow. Why is it so slow? What is wrong with you, laptop? Why is so slow? Why so slow? Is YouTube crashing? Is YouTube getting slow? You see YouTube slowing down? Ohio Diddy 67. Ohio Diddy 67. That's like a triple threat meme. Is it even a meme? It's just yapping. The dissolution of insoluble. You know what? The dissolution of insoluble silver salt in the presence of complexing agents is governed by a completion between the lattice energy of the solid and the stability of the complex formed in solution. When ligands such as ammonium or S2O32- are added, they bind to free silver ions present in the equilibrium with the solid precipitate, forming soluble complex ions. According to the late Chandler's principle, the removal of Ag plus from solution shifts the dissolution equilibrium towards the further dissolution of the solid until the system re-establishes the equilibrium. The extent of dissolution on the relative magnitude of solubility product and complex formation constant. A ligand can dissolve a precipitate if stability of the complex is sufficient to overcome the lattice stability of silver salt. From this part onwards, I have to repeat. That's what I gotten as the remark from professor. Ammonia forms the complex AgNH3 4+ and is only strong enough to dissolve AgCl while having limited or no effect on AgBr. This AgBr is crossed out by the professor and AgI due to their lower solubility and higher lattice stability. Thiosulfate S2O32- is a much stronger ligand, forming the highly stable complex AgS2O3 twice 3- and is able to dissolve all silver halides, including the very insoluble AgI. In contrast, the weak complexing ability of carbonate, this is also crossed out by the professor and remarked as not the ligand. From NH4 twice, CO3 leads to limiting dissolution, mainly affecting only AgCl, where the required shift in equilibrium is smallest. So there's a remark saying, why does it dissolve AgCl but not AgBr, although it forms same complex as NH3 and both dissolve in NH3? The observed trend in solubility, AgCl, AgBr, AgI. This part that I'm gonna say is also accepted by the professor, reflecting increasing lattice stability and decreasing stability of the silver halide. Correspondingly, ligand strength follows NH3 greater than S2O32-. Their observations confirm that only ligands with sufficiently high complex stability constant can overcome the lattice energy of the more insoluble salt. The inability of ammonia and carbonate to dissolve AgBr and AgI further demonstrates that this solution also depends on ligand concentration and complex strength. Let's see if ChatGPT can transcribe all that. I mean, yeah, the system is a bit hot. Damn, I did not know the temperatures fucking with my system. My precious computer. Yo, the Lawazi Gumede. Yo, what's up? I can see exactly where your professor stopped marking at the point. There are three conceptual issues. Carbonate is not complexing ligand. Ligand is ammonia, and that is released from ammonium carbonate solution. Carbonate. Ammonia forms diamine silver complex. I need to check if it's W. W indeed. For selected the solubility of complexing agent to dissolve. Blah 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 just wrote something in. Is that Russian? Which language is that? I'll also give you another interpretation given by my friend, which also gotten good. I just want you to use this as a reference. The dissolution of an insoluble silver salt by a complexing agent is competition between lattice energy of the solid crystal and the stability of the complex ion formed in the solution. When a complexing agent such as ammonium or S2O3 2- is added, it reacts with small amounts of free Ag plus ions present in the equilibrium with the solid precipitate to form a stable soluble complex ion. According to Le-Chandler's principle, the removal of free Ag plus ions from the solution shifts the solubility equilibrium towards the side of the dissolved ions, causing more of the solid precipitate to dissolve until solubility product KSP is reached or the solid is entirely consumed. For selective dissolution, the ability of a complexing agent to dissolve a specific silver precipitate depends on whether the complex stability constant Kf is high enough to overcome the solubility product constant KSP of the salt. Ammonia forms the AgNH3 twice plus complex. This ligand is strong enough to dissolve AgCl high KSP, but it struggles with the AgBr and is completely ineffective against AgI. Thiosulfate S2O3 2- is much stronger ligand than ammonia, forming the very stable Ag S2O3 twice 3- complex. Its stability constant is sufficiently high to pull Ag plus ions even from the extremely insoluble AgI lattice carbonate. NH4 twice CO3 provides a very low concentration of free ammonia molecules. Consequently, it can dissolve AgCl, the most soluble of the three halides, where the required pull to shift equilibrium is minimal. Based strictly on observed patterns of dissolution, the establishment of the insolubility of silver halides with decreasing order can be determined. AgCl greater than AgBr greater than AgI. AgCl dissolved in all tested reagent, whereas AgI only dissolved in the strongest complexing agent, Na2S2O3. This indicates that AgI has lowest KSP, highest lattice stability. The establishment of ligand strength complex building constants with increasing order. Ammonia lesser than S2O3 2-. Na2S2O3 was able to dissolve all precipitates, including the most insoluble AgI, proving that its complex stability constant Kf is significantly higher than that of the silver amine complex. The failure of NH4 twice CO3 to dissolve AgBr demonstrates that efficiency of the solution is also dependent of the concentration of the free ligand available to form the complex compared to 4 molar ammonium. Yo, Turo, what's up? I just saw the chat, Mr. Abraham. Damn, you checked out the stream. Respect. Well, I turned off the chat volume or the text to speech setting because someone just kept on typing 6-7. I don't know if you see that. And I just turned it off. What you doing today? The same thing I was doing yesterday because I did not complete what I was doing yesterday. Completing lab journal protocol blah 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 blah. How you doing? It's pretty late though. It's pretty late if I understand. Your French version is generally good, but there's a few points that should be corrected before you use it. It should say ammonia as is the ligand, not ammonium. How many corrections left? Well, I gotta rewrite this whole page. Not too much. 6 or 7. No. Damn. It was for a joke. Well, two corrections. This one. Then there's a little bit up here. This part, the math, that's okay. Oh, that's it? No. This chemical equation. Shit emoji. Somehow that worked. It's you, bro. You? I mean, I don't think you have to say that. I know it's you, bro. Just kidding. Nah, I don't think you're kidding, bro. I know you're the shit. Nah. I'm kidding, fam. It's a joke, fam. Just kidding, fam. Just chill, gang. It's okay to roll. Don't cry. Come on. Why are you crying, bro? Why are you crying, bro? Come on. It was a joke. Yo, that's cringe, bro. Stop crying. Ah, bro, you're crying? Bro, your GF is lucky. I know. But I wish I had one. Nah, it's not like I wish I had one. I should find the good. I should find the one. I don't understand, Josh. You don't understand why you're crying? Because you're a bitch. It's a joke, okay? It's a joke. Before I say too much, first off, I read somewhere, and I think it's true, that during night time, like 12 p.m. or 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 8 p.m., during night time, people get more emotional, and they just say whatever that comes to their mouth. So if I say some random shit, don't get offended. It's just my stupid ass brain has been through a lot. Oh. Why am I saying in a way that my brain and me are different? No, we're the same, but you get what I mean. Huh? You understand what I'm saying. Oh, I didn't know that. Well, now you know. But it's okay, bro. Don't cry. It's okay, bro. Stuff happens, bro. So I have to write this. Hey. Hey, what's up? Hey. What's up? Hey. An IQ too high? The one who be must be. The one who Sun Tzu. Bro is high like his IQ. That means like I'm high. I'm high like my IQ. That's too high. I don't think I could function if I'm that high. Do you understand? No, I don't think so. I don't think I could even speak if I was as high as my IQ. So, yeah, I think that statement is false, dog. I think it's false. Damn. I really am feeling full of myself, huh? Well, I just got back from work. Oh, that was something else. It was in a restaurant. Oh. No disrespect, but I hate working there. No, I wouldn't say hate. Bro, so Vampire, how are you streaming at night? It's not like I'm okay with this stream. I have to correct this and submit it today. In like 6 hours. So I complete this, go to sleep, wake up, does not matter how many hours of sleep I get. I submit, come back, maybe sleep again. Then I have a lab, an analytical lab at 1 p.m. I go for the lab, complete the last experiment I have, come back, submit, and prepare for the exam. Bingo. Interpretation. The dissolution of insoluble silver salts present in the presence of complexing agent. Complexing agents remain from the competition between results from the competition between the lattice energy of solid and the stability, the lattice energy of solid, of the solid, and stability of the Yo, I get it. Isem ro ollanor. Isem or ro odlanor. Ton fuck. Il anog ton isem. Il nong anog ton isem. Hutch, bro, hi. I was saying not gonna lie Messi, but I tried to not gonna lie Messi. I'm gonna make the whole sentence backwards. Not gonna lie Messi. Isem il anog anog ton. I get it, you good, gang. Nah, you don't get it. You don't get the struggle, bro. You don't get the struggle. Lattice energy of what? Lattice energy of the soul. Of the soul. Solid. Yo, Tural, I forgot to ask you, how is your studies and stuff going? Damn. Bro's failing subjects. Nah. I think bro's passing all the subjects. How's that side looking, Tulsar? Good. You're doing good? How's the classes? I heard that due to the heat wave, they stopped the classes for a bit. You're from France, right? It's over now. I'm going to college. Oh, you're gonna start college, or you already started college? Because if I remember, you were minor. You were a minor, gang. Last time I heard, minors don't get to college. It's for big, strong, adult human beings, gang. I skipped some classes, oh. Hey, bro, whatever makes you happy, bro. 3rd and 4th grade, no way. No way, you skipped 3rd and 4th grade? Yo. That's like one of the most important grades. You can't just skip 3rd and 4th grade. That's what makes us, gang. Why am I yapping too much? Lattice energy, I still can't figure out where is the last part I wrote. Of the solid and the stability of the complex. 3 a.m. motivation. Yeah, don't sleep. That's the motivation. Small amounts of Ag plus ions are always present in equilibrium. With the solid precipitate. When a ligand such as NH3 or H2O3 is added, grow a beard. Oh, you know what's the beard I used to have before? It's called mutton chops. Goes from here to here. I shaved my mustache and this part. That was something else. But I prefer the clean shave, not gonna lie though. Maybe sometime after a while I should grow back something else. You look like Luntic. Oh, bro. I can't wait to see what the retarded... Yeah, what retarded character it is. Oh, no. Yo. I was expecting something else. It's a cartoon. Why do I look like a cartoon though? Is that a compliment? Nah. Nah, fam. That ain't no compliment. Some bullshit. Ag plus ions to form stable. Well, the next facial hair that I want to try growing up is this one. It just goes from here to here. I need to shave this part. I want to try that. I want to try it. Yeah, it's the previous facial hair I had was similar to the Wolverine. That was the character. I was thinking, which character had that facial hair? It was Wolverine. Wolverine. Complexes. Coding. Chatelier's principle. The removal of Ag plus shifts the dissolution equilibrium towards further dissolution Wolverine. Your basketball. No, that's not it. Oh fuck. I was thinking of the right meme. There's no right meme. There's no right meme. Precipitation. Until a new equilibrium. Depot. Depot and Wolverine. Until a new equilibrium. I did see the movie. It's pretty okay. It was pretty good. Whether a silver precipitate dissolves depends on the relationship between its solubility POV. When the scorer grabs a pickle, then I'm red. My mind is going a lot of places. Is it from the movie Deadpool, or it's just grabbing your D joke? What's this? Solubility product, KSP, and the formation constant Kf of the corresponding. You know what? I should read what I'm writing. The dissolution of insoluble silver salt in the presence of complexing agents results in the completion between the lattice energy of the solid and the stability of the scorer. Ugh, I hate that word. Scorer. Scorer did what? The scorer. So the scorer, 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 grabbed a pack of chairs and chewed a controller. Scora, Scora. Oh, Scora. Scora. I can't. Say it. The Scora grabbed a pack of chairs and chewed a controller. The Scora. Oh, yeah. There are other words that I cannot easily pronounce. Viewer. But I think now I'm getting a gist of it. I used to be able to not pronounce that word. Viewer. But now I think it's pretty okay. Scorer. 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 Well, I think it gets worse the more I stress towards the word. I want that ER sound. Viewer, yes, viewer. Viva. Corresponding silver salt. Silver complex. Ammonia forms the complex, that one, although the same complex is formed for AgCl, AgBr, and AgI, only AgCl dissolved completely under experimental conditions because it has the highest solubility of the three silver halides. Silver bromide dissolved only slightly, whereas silver iodide did not dissolve because its lower solubility and higher lattice energy could not be overcome by ammonia complex. Okay. Ammonia. Can you pronounce squirrel? Squirrel. That's a squirrel. Oh, look at that. That's a squirrel. That's a squirrel. Squirrel. Oh, what's the German word for squirrel? Squirrel? Squirrel. Squirrel? Yeah, squirrel. That's okay. What was the German word? It was fucked up. It was a fucked up word for squirrel. Schmetterling, that's butterfly. Squirrel. Oh, I need to look it up. Einhörnchen. Ja. Einhörnchen. Oh, das ist ein Einhörnchen. Oh, schau mal, das ist ein Einhörnchen. Bist du sicher? Ja. Es ist ein Einhörnchen. Ich hab das gesehen. Es ist nichts, nur eine Einhörnchen. Wir haben mehr als ein. Wir haben 1, 2 Einhörnchen, ja. Einhörnchen forms the complex. Ag Yo, you're from France, right? You can pronounce it. You speak German, yeah. Was my pronunciation good? Should I improve on the Hörchen? You're from France, right? Oh, I need to learn French. I heard French is a pretty sacre bleu. Same complex. Paris is formed for AgCl. This message took 3 minutes to load. Not gonna lie, gang, I don't know what's going on. Is it about... No, latency is at ultra low. You speak Russian? Damn. What do I know in Russian? I know a swear word in Russian. Блядь. Блядь. Damn, that's cool. You are kind of multilingual at this point. You could travel to almost all around the world. Speaking of all around the world, there's one big part of the world, China. Five languages, damn son. Not easy. I barely speak 3 languages. And Portuguese. Oh shit, Portuguese. Portuguese is also pretty chill. Completely under... That's... You know what language I want to learn? Chinese. Experiment conditions. I'm a tiny little bit Brazilian. Ah, interesting. Brazilians, they're cool. The first time I heard of Brazil was through an animated movie. It's called Rio. And yep. And not gonna lie, that they represented Brazil really good. I don't know if it's accurate, but you will always read wrong. Bro, stop, bro. My brain is kinda trying to autocorrect the read and this part, but you will always read wrong. Was that the whole thing? Have you heard the vacuum joke? It does not exist. Is that it? Of the silver highlights. No, I haven't heard the vacuum joke. Never mind, it sucked. Okay. Not gonna lie, that's pretty good play of words. Easy beard solved. Only slightly. whereas AGI did not dissolve. You know what? I used to do a series in YouTube called Goatee. It's called Ghetto, not Get Out, Ghetto of the Internet. And I'm thinking if I should how do you say car in black man's language? Yo. You don't stay, you steal. I don't know if you know about the show called Kill Tony, but some of these jokes do seem like it came straight from Kill Tony. Lower solubilities and higher lattice energies could not be overcome. If you think about it, the whole stream is like it's like a video call. Whoa. Makes you think. Makes you think. In ammonium carbonate solution, ammonia acts as the complexing ligand, while the carbonate ion mainly provides an alkaline medium. Since the concentration of free ammonia is much lower than the 4 molal ammonia solution, only limited dissolution. Well, Turol. What will I say if I see you on the street? Not gonna lie, I don't know if we would see each other on the street, but if you see me on the street, damn, that's gonna change my mind. That's gonna be, yo, someone I had a conversation on my YouTube channel. I'm seeing this person in real life. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah. You could say my real name, or you could say Crackatom. Oh, Crackatom, is it you, Crackatom? Oh my God, Crackatom, what the fuck? No, don't be like that. But that's gonna be amazing. Like if he, it's gonna change my perspective. Not gonna lie. Because right now it's like I'm just seeing text, and if I see the real person behind it, it's gonna whoa. But yeah, I was gonna ask you something. What? Yeah, you should go to sleep. But before you go to sleep, I just want to ask you one question, gang. Whoa. Damn, too hard left. Only limited dissolution of AgCO was observed. Whereas, yeah, okay, you're still here. What major are you gonna take when you go to college? No, there's no joke. I was just gonna ask you the major you were taking. I don't know, that just kept on popping on my mind. What's the major you're gonna take when you go to college? What's the major you are doing? Whereas AGBR and AGI remained unsolved. I'm listening to the GTA 4 theme music. Oh, that's a good music. Damn, tools are left. I like science. Good answer. You may leave. You may proceed. You may proceed with your shut of eye. I don't have enough space. Sulfate forms are everything. Whose formation constant is considered considerably larger than that of the ammonia complex. Consequently, it was able to dissolve AgCl. Consequently, based on experimental observation, the solubility for solubility of the investigated silver halides. It's hot though. Oh, the creases. in the order AgCO greater than AgBr greater than AgI, whereas the effectiveness of the complexing agents increases in the order the results demonstrates that the solution is governed by both the solubility product of the silver salt and the stability of the complex formed with the ligand, and complex formed with the ligand. One more to go. How long was the stream going? 75. Said hi? Wait, to roll, did you just send a message or am I tripping? That was what? Why is it not showing up on the chat though? I don't know. I really don't know. I think I should refresh the whole thing. Give me the equation repetition. Now this one. Section 8. Should I write this interpretation? തന്നെ. I should go whole scientist here. Come on, gang, it's not too much. I just have to write this. Muro. Damn, I got like 1 day. Damn, that's a lot of hair. Why am I wasting time? I don't know. I don't understand. I gotta focus. Where's my focus? One more. പോയി കിടന്ന് ഉറങ്ങടാ. You don't understand, brother. If I do not submit this, I'm dead. I'm DEAD dead. ഉറങ്ങണമെന്ന് ആഗ്രഹമുണ്ട് മയില്. Wait a minute, it's 3:06 a.m. Was ist los, Jivan Murali? Kommst du nach Arbeit oder was? Are you coming back from your work or what? Or preparing for some exam, because I heard AI students have really important exam coming up on Monday and Tuesday. Room is too hot to sleep. Oh yeah. It is really hot to sleep. What I do, it's a secret technique. What I do is I wet my t-shirt and I wear the t-shirt because it's fucking hot. Or you could wet a piece of cloth and put it in front of your fan. I heard that could work. But it's too hot, and I actually heard some thunderstorm, like the thunder, noise of thunder. Looks like there's no... Let me try that. Yeah, I mean, it's better than sleeping with no wet clothes. But if you search that up on ChatGPT is gonna say, "Oh, don't do it. It's gonna give you cold." But hey, it's too hot. It's too hot that you will not get cold. In theoretical molar concentration of concentrated preparation of 4 molar HCl. You forgot to take your service purse. What is a service purse? It's like a wallet that you get that you have to use when you're at work. That's where you put all the tips and stuff. Or is it your personal thing? 700 euros, huh? Yep. I recently also lost something that cost around that money overnight. It was my bike. But yeah. Why did I say that? I don't know. Concentrated HCl equals 37%. Concentration mole HCl. Shari and bye bye. Let me go sleep today. 2 exams. Good luck on the exams. Peace. I really need to sleep. Fuck. Where's your for M. I need to search density of HCl on my CRC handbook. One point one. No, no, no. Oh, that's gonna be a lot of matches, huh? 37%. No, it's not what I meant. I just need density, bro. Just need density. Lattice energy. Wave number. I've gotten everything except what I need. Yeah, I'm gonna use that value though. Is that correct or not? So I basically did all the corrections. Alhamdulillah. Brother, let me tell you, was not easy. 39, 40, 41. Oh, so that's corrected. So technically all the lab protocols are corrected, but I still have the general lab. No, analytical labs. I need to check that one. I need to check what my friend submitted. I should stop abusing my hair. Not water hardness then. Bismuth? No. Then which one is it? Chloride? Yeah. Is it mentioned here though? What's the result? Calculate some points of titration curve of your sample at least 3 points before the equivalence point. The equivalence point at least 1 point after. Okay. I did not see that. Why is the computer so slow? Now water hardness 7. Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna end the stream because if I sit too long, I'm just gonna waste my sleep and I'm not gonna do anything. Peace out, YouTube. Respect.